Hello fellow gardeners and plant enthusiasts. Today we're thrilled to delve into the captivating world of Begonia maculata variegata, also known as the polka dot begonia. Join us as we explore its intriguing history, unique characteristics, and essential care tips to help you cultivate this stunning living organism. The Begonia maculata variegata, hailing from the lush forests of Brazil, has a rich and storied history. Beloved for its eye-catching polka dot pattern on its leaves, it has earned the endearing nickname polka dot begonia. Its dark green leaves are adorned with striking silver-white polka dots, creating a visually captivating display. The asymmetrical leaf shape further adds to its charm, making it a favorite among indoor plant collectors. Creating the perfect environment for your polka dot begonia is crucial for its thriving growth. It flourishes in bright, indirect light, simulating the dappled sunlight found in its native rainforest habitat. Keeping the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged will promote healthy growth, and a well-draining potting mix is essential to prevent root rot. Enhance the allure of your indoor space by pairing the polka dot begonia with other tropical plants. Consider placing it alongside peace lilies or calathea to create a harmonious and vibrant display. Aside from its ornamental value, the polka dot begonia contributes to a relaxing and calming ambience in your living spaces. With its air purifying properties, it helps to cleanse the air of harmful pollutants, promoting better indoor air quality. There you have it, a captivating glimpse into the world of Begonia maculata variegata, the enchanting polka dot begonia. Embrace its intriguing history, distinctive features, and the essential care tips required to nurture this tropical gem. As we continue our journey through the diverse world of living organisms, stay tuned for more captivating episodes on our channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our gardening and farming explorations. Happy gardening!